Hey everyone, it's Simon MKC from MSP Inspire. Check out our MSP Inspire YouTube channel because over the weekend we'll be running over 30 talks from various Microsoft student partners from across the globe.
As student partners, we'll learn best from other students.
So this Saturday and Sunday,
We'll be teaching you about various topics from
artificial intelligence,
Internet of Things,
Microsoft Azure,
mobile development using Xamarin,
virtual reality,
Power Platform,
Git and GitHub,
soft skills,
control systems and open source.
and so many more.
Don't forget, tune this Saturday and Sunday.
learn more,
and get in touch with our global community.
Thank you so much.
So don't forget to tune in over the next 48 hours to learn more. MSP Inspire on YouTube.